Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. I am Aditya, and in this video guys we'll be learning about C++ conditional statements. So I think in the previous video we have learned about some basic operators. So in this video, as I've told, we'll be doing if else, especially in the conditional statement. So there's a part of loops and there's a part of if else, so control statements you can even call them as. So we'll be checking out if else, and there's even an extension like else if also, which we'll be seeing in the more advanced section, not right now. So you'll just understand how this conditional statements works in C++. And one more thing is that I have not actually thought about teaching you guys the type conversion. So if you are following my other tutorials as well, then you might have noticed that I would teach type conversion at this level. So I have not done this because in C++ it is a little bit difficult and you might not be able to understand how that works right now. So that's why I have thought I would directly go to conditional statements. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see over here, we have include iostream and int main. So this is just a basic template and this is in REPL.it. So let me just full screen this thing, and here guys I can just write an if else. So this is very similar to C# syntax and even Java, C#, Dart. So if you're coming from any programming language, the concept and everything is very simple. Now if you're very beginner, then you might be like, what is this if else, or what are these conditional statements? So these are like a block of code which depend on a condition to be run. So suppose I just want to add two numbers when the second number is greater than the first number. That is nothing but a condition, and whatever code is there inside that condition will only be run when the condition is meant to be true. So if the condition is met false, it won't run. So that's how it works. So to have much clear understanding about how this works, let us check it while coding. So here first let us create a variable called a, and here I'll just keep 10. You can even take an input as well. So if you want, we'll take an input. So here for taking input we use cin. So if you're not familiar with that, and cin a, so we must also write using namespace std. So using namespace. So always add this thing. You might not be able to understand what exactly is this thing, but it is a very simple concept. You will understand it when we go and learn more further advanced concepts. So now we have taken input of a, and here we'll take input of b as well. So cin b, and make sure that you add these two arrows and end it with a semicolon. Now here we'll be writing our conditional block. So here I'll write if. So here I'll write b is greater than a. So the second number, if the second number is greater than the first number, then we'll just print out cout. So I think it has gone somewhere over here, yeah. And here we'll print out cout a plus b. So we can even add a text as well. So here end the line with endl, and here I'll even add some text by just using that two arrows again in the between. So I can just write sum equals, and here end it with okay. So here, so guys, that's our first if block, and now we'll write our second else block. So when the condition is meant to be false, so when this is a wrong condition, so as you can see this condition, if I give like the second number is lesser than the first number, then this else block will be running. So I can just write cout, and I can just write here second. So here I have written second number is less. So this is a simple if else block. So here I'll just run this program. So here it has just stuck over here. It is nothing but it's asking for us the input. So if it was a real command prompt, then it would have shown us blinking. So the cursor would be blinking. As this is an online IDE, it lacks some of the basic, means very small negligible features, that is like just like this blinking. So don't worry about that. And here I can just give 10 over here. And here the second number I'll just give 20, and it should give the answer as 30. So sum is equal to 30. Now let's run this program again, and let us see what happens if I give the second number, which is b, as very less than the first number. So now I press enter, and it is showing second number is less. So it is like second, so seconds. Now let's run this program and again give it, and we should get second number is less. So that's how it works, guys. This was just a basic introduction about how this conditional statement works. I think you're even getting this condition also which we're using. We usually use the same mathematical operators which we use, like greater than, lesser than, and additionally they're even like greater than, equal to, and lesser than, equal to, same like mathematics, and not equal to. So that's it, guys, for this video. This was just a simple introduction about how the basic if else works. In the upcoming videos, we'll be even learning about if else and some control statements, control loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.